This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Bowman Inception Baseball 4-box eBay break. January 15th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Cool Whip 77 with the Royals and Mets. IVCAM-1191 with the Twins and Giants. Very Indifferent 13 with the Rangers and Rays. SHPOL_6351 with the Blue Jays, Dodgers, and Mariners. D-Laker 1 with the Nationals. Piston Honda with the Cardinals. CHASGRIFFI-6 with the Padres. Kruggy_11 with the Pirates. Rocket Russ 10 with the Phillies. B-BENDA-T7 JCYI23RU with the Athletics. VINCENHOUSTO-0 with the Yankees. CHIZURP with the Brewers. ROBCON2270 with the Marlins. C-Cat with the Angels. JIGO-311291 with the Astros. Brian Powell 1980 with the Tigers. BLANCHMANN with the Rockies. DY Barrow_0 with the Indians. CHA-Cart with the Reds. Rojo 548326 with the White Sox. JEFDORMA0 with the Cubs. SBIALOWAS with the Red Sox. Way6_27 with the Orioles. DT_256 with the Braves. And JRUTLAW rocking the Diamondbacks. That is your full lineup. Okay, we got your 4 boxes here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide those back there. 2021 Bowman Inception Baseball. Here we go. Box number 1. Plastic coming off. All right. And 1 pack there. Empty box. We'll actually use that there. All right. First pack. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We've got a Shalene Polanco. Intimidation there. Pirates. We got a Bryce Terang for the Brewers. Robert Hassel for the Padres. A Jared Kelly for the White Sox. Initiation there, another initiation. And we've got a Pete Crow Armstrong for the Cubs. All right, to the autos. We've got your first auto, Ivan Herrera for the Cardinals. Beautiful looking card there. 172 out of 200. Cardinals. Beautiful Ivan Herrera. Cardinals, 172 out of 200. And your second auto is a Heston Scherstad, 75 out of 200 for the Orioles. Orioles on the board. Very nice. Heston Scherstad for the Orioles. All right, box 1 down. Box 2 coming up. Yeti, welcome. Thanks for breaking. I appreciate it. good luck as well. Plastic coming off of box number 2. Maybe. Camo. There we go. And 1 pack, empty box. Here we go. Box number 2, pack number 2. All right, we've got a Asa Lacy, Royals. A Matthew Liberator, Cardinals. We got a Asa Lacy, Royals. We got a Shalom Polanco for the Pirates. Initiation. All right, and we've got, yeah. Okay. First auto coming at you. Nick Yorkie for the Red Sox. 4/25. Wow, beautiful. At a 25 there. Red Sox on the board. Very nice, Nick Yorkie. Very nice. 4/25 there, too. And second auto, we got a Patrick Bailey for the Giants. 10/200. Very nice, Patrick Bailey. 10/200. Giants. And we've also got a 54/99. Reginald Preciado for the Cubbies. 54/99 there on the blue. All right, box 3 coming up. Plastic coming off. All right, 1 pack, empty box. All right, here we go. We got a Brett Beatty for the Mets. We've got a Ivan Herrera for the Cardinals. Ivan Herrera there. We've got a Pedro Pineda for the Athletics. Initiation. We've got a Francisco Alvarez for the Mets. And first auto coming at you, we've got a Maximo Acosta for the Rangers. 53/99. At a 99 variation there on the Maximo Acosta. Rangers on the board. Second auto, a Yidi Cape for the Marlins. 84/200. Nice Yidi there. Marlins on the board. And we got a third auto here. We got a Beckway for the Yankees. 335/600. Yankees on the board. Beautiful Beckway auto. 335/600. Yankees. All right, box number 4. Plastic coming off. And one pack, empty box. All right, here we go. Box number 4. Good luck, everybody. Out of the gate, 70 out of 75. Adley. Roosman for the Orioles. And that is 70 out of 75 there. Purple there. Orioles. We've got a Yoelqui Cespedes for the White Sox. Initiation. A Tristan Casas for the Red Sox. Roberto Hernandez for the Rays. Initiation. We've got a Mackenzie Gore for the Padres. All right, and your autos, we've got an Endy Rodriguez for the Pirates, 49 out of 50. Nice out of 50 variation there. Pirates, beautiful auto there on the Endy Rodriguez. Beautiful. And we got a redemption. Oh, wow, we got a base prospect autograph. Fuchsia foil parallel. Julio Rodriguez, the Mariners. The Fuchsia is numbered to 75. So that'll be out of 75. On the Julio Rodriguez, that's a very nice auto. That's a really, really nice auto there. Yeah, that's a really, really nice hit there. Congrats to the Mariners. That's a beauty on the Julio Rodriguez redemption. Wow, that's really, really nice. See if I can get it back up. There we go. Beautiful. Congrats to the Mariners. Beautiful Julio Rodriguez redemption. Beauty. All right. Let's run back through the hits here, guys. We had your Julio Rodriguez, which is a beautiful hit. Redemption. Base prospect auto. Fuchsia foil parallel. That'll be out of 75. It's a beautiful hit. Endy Rodriguez for the Pirates, 49 out of 50. Auto. We had your Beck away for the Yankees, 335 out of 600. Auto. Yidi Cape Marlins, 84 to 200. Auto. Maximo Acosta for the Rangers, 53 out of 99. Auto. Patrick Bailey for the Giants, 10 out of 200. Nick Yorke for the Red Sox, 4 out of 25. Beautiful out of 25 variation there. And let's see here. Heston Scherstad for the Orioles, 75 out of 200. And we started with your Ivan Herrera for the Cardinals, 172 out of 200 auto there. So 4 great boxes there, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Once again, we're back at it again tomorrow night. We got a beautiful lineup scheduled all week long. Please don't miss out on those. I really want to thank everybody so much for your support, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much again. Please be smart. Be safe out there.